YouTube, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another POV, man. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we got a drifting every turn I take, man. And as y'all see, it's raining, y'all, so you know. You feel me? Y'all already know what time it is, man. We finna get active. Drifting every turn you take in the hood, you feel me? It's a little too wet, goddamn. It's a little too wet, y'all. I don't know if I can do it, you feel me? I ain't gonna do too much talking in this video, y'all, man. I'm gonna just let the, you know what I'm saying, the content speak for itself, man. You feel me? Y'all let me know if y'all want more videos like this, if y'all like it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all wanna see more like this. Got a ditch right there. Hold on now, y'all, hold on. I wanna try that one again. The spot we was just at, man. Gotta be able to get this one. Alright, y'all, man, right now we is downtown. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Right now we by the police station in Mexico. And we're gonna try to drift a couple corners downtown, man. It's a one-way, so I gotta keep straight. Is that the new Mustang? Y'all, that's the new Mustang. I gotta show y'all this. You know, we don't really mess with the Mustangs, but I got to show y'all the new Mustang, man. Like, I just feel like y'all gotta see it. The new Mustang. You feel me? And this is from Tennessee, y'all. But I don't know if I like it though. I'm not a Mustang fan though, man. It's a little pony. Looks like a Camaro if you ask me. Pick y'all back up when we get in the car, man. All right, y'all, man. I can't really drift any of these corners, man, cause it's cars right here. Try to drift the next one for y'all, man. Could make this turn right here. What y'all think? But I don't really like this turn. Think that's 12 right there, gang? Yeah. Got my mans right here about to wreck that little motherfucker. He about to wrap that bitch up. He's about to wrap that motherfucker up. I gotta get away from him. Oh my God. Y'all gotta get away from that man. Hell nah. Yeah, get the fuck away from me, cuz. I gotta get away from that man, yo. Hold the fuck up. Hell nah, that man in a striker. The striker boys strike again, man. Y'all, he's still behind me. Y'all see this? He in a striker. Y'all, he in the striker joint. 12. Get this man off the streets. Lock this thug up, y'all. Golly. Watch this, y'all. Striker boy. Look at the back of that bitch. Oh my God. How you feel about the striker gang? No comment? That man in a strikey. That's the type of stuff y'all see in Mexico, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You know, people be in the strikers, you feel me? Little did he know, this is a striker too. Oh man, we gotta go the same way as him. I don't like that, man. He was losing that motherfucker though, y'all. Man, that's gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. If y'all want to see more content like this, I got y'all. Hopefully I chopped this video up enough so y'all see all the action and none of the just dead parts of it. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all still watching it at this point, man, go ahead and like the video, man. Y'all, what did you click on the video for if you weren't gonna like it, man? So I appreciate that, man. See y'all in the next video.